Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have another video for you. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let's go on this journey together. I have a new style that I wanted to share with you guys. I've always liked something like that. If you like this two fitting braids on your head, there is no longer a reason to struggle on how to put this on your hair. I have come up with a faux, what I call a faux version of how to create this look, and if you would like to see how I did it, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the hair that I'm using. It's not a particular brand, this is just regular braiding hair. This is 84 inches long. I'm using one pack for this hairstyle. I just cut it in half and just pretty much just pull the hair, the ends of the hair to stretch it, because my braids are quite long. It just depends on how long do you want it to. So on this one here, as you can see, I am making the braid out of my head. So I just pinned the head down on a mannequin head, and I am doing a fitting braid as if I'm doing it on my head, and just creating the braid at this point until I get the desired length that I want to have. And that's pretty much it, how I created the braid off my head. Alright guys, so at this point my hair is freshly washed the previous day. Just combed it out now. I'm gonna go ahead and create a pattern that I wanted to have for my braids and just gel my hair down. I'm doing a zigzag pattern to the back. Anybody can, you can choose whatever pattern you want to have for these braids. And I just gel my hair down and to stop the process of attaching these braids to it. Okay, so I'm gonna start gelling my hair down. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster that I'm using. That's the name of the gel. This is in coconut flavor, and has been working great for me. I love this gel. It doesn't flake, so that's what I'm gonna use to just gel my hair pretty much all the way to the back, each part down to the back. Okay, so it is time for me to attach my braids into my head. Preferably, it's better to let this hair dry first. I didn't have that much time. I was gonna go out. I think I left this sit for like about 30 minutes before I went ahead and started attaching this hair. It's still wet, so I will. If you have time, it's better to just let it dry first before you do this process. So I have a needle and a thread, and I'm gonna start sewing this hair into my head, basically. So with this process here, guys, be careful when you're sewing this part. Don't poke yourself with the needle. If you can't do it, you can have somebody help you. It is okay to get a help to do your hair if you're not able to do it yourself. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm doing now. And the method that I'm using to sew it, I'm just going in and out of the braids, just because I don't want the thread to be showing too much out of the braids, so it will look as natural as possible. But make sure that first especially the beginning there is securely in there, securely attached to your head, so it won't be slipping off. And that's pretty much what I did. And when it comes to my hair, the one my hair in the back, I just lay it forward and then I sew the braids on top of it to cover it up, if that makes sense. Alright guys, so the next step that I did was dipping the ends into hot water and just accessorize. And as you can see guys, it looks pretty good. I loved it. I'm still working this, and it's been, I think I have this for a week now, and it still looks very beautiful. I love it. And this is another way that I also wear it. Sometimes just put it in a bun. It's very easy. This one I just pin it down. I did not sew it down. I just pin it down with a pin, with a bobby pin. So I just wrapped it around and just pin it down and make sure it's securely pinned down. That's all. It's a beautiful style that you can also just wear when you know want to go out. Nice occasion, you can have something simple like that. And I've been loving this one, y'all. I've been loving this. It's very easy. I didn't have to struggle on braiding this on my head. You can just go ahead and create it off your head and just attach it. And that is it for today guys. Please let me know what you think about this full two fitting braids, and let me know in the comment below if you like it or not. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and go on this journey together. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments if you have questions, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.